I'm Meera and I've been learning Welsh since January 2022. I love learning Welsh now. Since I've started, I've discovered that it's something that I really enjoy, which I wasn't expecting. I've never been a natural linguist. I've never learned other languages in my life. But I've basically discovered almost like a whole community and a whole side, I guess, to Wales that I wasn't seeing before. Particularly as someone, that's English and has moved to Wales as an adult. I think learning about the history, I understand now, I guess how important it can be for people like me to learn Welsh. And I also just think being able to speak Welsh with Welsh speakers is lovely. You almost get like a different side to them because they're pleased to be, speaking with you in Welsh rather than in English. To be honest, it feels like I've almost been discovering a new part of myself as I've been learning Welsh. I've always been quite anxious, but when I'm speaking Welsh with people, I don't have the time to be anxious about what I'm saying. I can just speak as I think of it. I also really love learning different words and the different dialects, and I guess understanding maybe something that might be like a North Walian word, but then being able to respond in almost like a South Walian phrase. It feels really fun and like I've achieved something. The advice that I would give someone who's recently started learning Welsh that I guess I wish someone would have told me is I don't have to be so scared. I used to find it really intimidating talking in class when we'd have to read out words, and especially because I'm dyslexic, so going back to school I wasn't always confident in doing stuff like that. But the longer I've been learning, the more I've learnt everyone in Welsh classes is so lovely. All of the other learners, I've had the same tutor now for 3 years, Tristan, who's been amazing and really supportive. And I guess I just wish I knew that I would get to the place of confidence that I'm at now when I started, because it would have made it a lot easier if I wasn't scared to speak up, scared to ask my questions at the start.